Rice Milling Equipment Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global rice milling equipment market size will be $215.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America rice milling equipment market size of $86.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe rice milling equipment market size of $64.65 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific rice milling equipment market size of $49.57 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America rice milling equipment market size of $10.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa rice milling equipment market size of $4.31 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.